Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Trader Girl Tuesday. Thank you all for tuning in. I am super excited, and look, I'm on time and I'm actually early. No technical difficulties. I finally figured out what the mishaps were. Checking in, making sure. Awesome. Looks good, sounds good. Yeah, I figured out what the problem was, and it was actually I just had to log in earlier to my computer, make sure it's all booted up and the streaming platform was ready. But yeah, so I'm 5 minutes early, high key. Don't know what to do for these 5 minutes, but no, I'm just kidding. Let's hop into it. Let's see. Perfect. Awesome. So my first time looking at the charts this morning, it looks like picking back up from we left off last week, we have taken the all-time highs by a lot. Let's see if we have any news today. I did not boot up the calendar. Adding it to my pre-checklist. What's today? Today is the 16th. All right. What we got? Okay, so we had 8:30 news, red folder, pretty light news thereafter. What's this? Why do I have two tabs open? I do not know. Close one. Okay, so I double checked with my mentor. He was still using NASDAQ contract U, so he hasn't switched over yet. So I'm not switching over yet. Let's see what else. Let's check the opening range gap to ensure if Trader Girl has her sweet spot for today and can execute. It's looking pretty good. Let's see. Oh man, we are 5 handles away. I tell you, boy, this has been the hardest discipline, consistency ever. Like, not being able to do anything. It's only less than 5 handles out of sweet spot. Does it really matter that much? I wish I could ask Michael and be like, hey, does it really matter that much? If anybody knows him or can ask him for me, that'll be great. But as of right now, he said 75 to 200, so we're sticking to that. He is coming back with his new mentorship. Super excited. We may get some more information or another model to follow. I really like this model because it's super easy. Copy paste. Hey, brother. You say it's enough. I would like to think so. I just don't know for sure. Like, Michael's very particular. I don't know. So I'm gonna just say it's not. I'm gonna just go with it. But yeah, I like this model so much because it's a simple copy paste. I'm really hoping he can come back with another model or an additional model that's copy paste and easy like that. However, just for completeness sake, I'm going to mark the consequential encroachment of this gap because it may feel it. I like the fact that it is a gap higher. So price may want to fill it to 50%, which is in this bullish direction that we've been going on. So I'm just going to notate the equilibrium, keep an eye on that. Okay, so let's do a top-down analysis. we have been extremely bullish. I can't say just yet if we're ready for a retracement. I would have to see how, actually, it requires tomorrow's daily candle if it closes, and this would be the swing highs because it could just keep pushing up. So for this AM session, I do see we have some swing occurring. I like that. I wouldn't mind seeing if it pulls back into this 1 hour, into this 1 hour busy. If we zoom into price, let me notate this as a 1 hour busy. If we zoom into price, it's not a lot of beef. Y'all know Trader Girl loves to eat the beef. I do see we have a volume imbalance and some bissies closer to where price is. We can't expect too much from price, but I would love to see this filled in. But I'm going to notate this for completeness sakes. Brother wants a pullback. I feel it. It looks like it's pretty good. I can see a pullback. Our first obstacle will get past this 1 hour busy. I can see it pulling back into this 1 hour busy. If we fib it to find the equilibrium of this parent swing, this is it. So I would love to see this get touched because it is in a discount. So that would make the most sense in my head. But as y'all know, we've been extremely bullish, so I wouldn't be surprised if it does react off of this 1 hour busy. That's why I say it's our first obstacle or roadblock that we would have to get over if we are going to make it into this 1 hour busy, which is where I would like to see it. I believe Wolfie Wick is trying to get in. Let's get him on the line. All right, so let's drop down to the 15 minutes, see what's happening. It looks like we did touch into this. Oh, what is this? What was that? Was that the, no. It looks like 50% of the opening range gap is also associated with the 1 hour busy. That's kind of cool. That's kind of like confluence. Let's get Wolfie Wick on the line.
What's good, Trader Girl?
What's good, Wolfie Wick?
Nothing much, man. We over here live on TikTok.
Hey, live on TikTok. Can they see me or only hear me?
They can only hear you right now. I didn't set it up to see you.
No, that's a bet. That's a bet. That's what's up. We got 2 sets of audience today. We doing something new, exciting.
Yeah. I got some TikTok viewers over here.
Big up. So just to catch you up, we are looking at NAS. We have obviously taken the all-time high, has been extremely bullish. I don't know. Obviously, we can't call the tops. And as of right now on the daily, we do not have indication of a swing or a swing high being created. I mean, it hasn't been created yet, so we still have to wait. And so when I drop down to the 1 hour, I do see this a couple 1 hour busies along with a volume imbalance that is also associated with the opening range gap 50%. So I was saying that that is our first roadblock or obstacle. If we are going to retrace and pull back, I did a fib to measure this parent swing, and right under 50%, we have this big old 1 hour busy. So ideally, Trader Girl wants to see it get into this 1 hour busy. Our first obstacle would have to get through this 1 hour busy that's closer to price right now. And it looks like it's doing a fairly good job so far.
Yeah, so I'm pretty much looking at the same thing. Like, so basically, my move, I had it written on the screen this morning. I want to see the 9:30 move. or the 10 a.m. macro, since we're super bullish, I only want to see it take out the 15-minute low, which it just did.
Yeah.
I wanted it to kind of pop up into this 15-minute inversion SIBI that I have. And there's also a 15-minute SIBI inside that inversion. I wanted it to pop up right there into that 62% and then go down to take out the 15-minute low. But right at 9:30 on the 1-minute chart, we had a SIBI at 9:28 and it just ran that right at 9:30 and we gone.
No facts. And if let's see, do we have a first print to fair value gap yet? Let me check my cheat sheet.
Right now, we're getting it right now.
Okay, let me load up my little cheat sheet.
Yeah, it just formed right now.
That's a bet. So that could allow price to push lower into that lower 1 hour BISI. Or like I said, we just hit equilibrium of the opening range gap. Wait, let me see. Because I thought we had a gap higher. Turns out, oh, I mixed that up. Yeah. We have a gap higher, which means pullback. So it looks like the opening range gap is a little bit lower than where we're at right now. I thought it was confluent, but it's a little lower.
It's rejecting off of 1 hour BC right now too on my charts.
No, yeah, facts. Or it just entered into it. I think it's pulling back up into the first presented fair value gap. Let me put that on my charts. Cause that'll be super cute.
That would make more sense.
Like first presented fair value gap.
That's a nice swing, yeah.
First presented fair value gap, illustrating it now. If it can respect this, I could see it. Huh?
And my charts are tripping.
Oh, first presented fair value gap. So yeah, I want to see. It has a nice reaction or rejection so far. I want to see if it can take out our next low, which would be. Honestly, I just want to see it get through this 1 hour. If we could close below this 1 hour BISI, then that'll give me confluence that it's going to continue to go lower for my overall target. But it's looking pretty good with that first presented fair value gap. That's noise. This would have been my entry. My brother said, because we have it's not technically in our sweet spot. It's like only 69 handles, 69.50. And we need 75. So I was thinking, is it close enough? Brother says it's close enough.
Close enough.
I need Michael he says super cute.
Bro, where is Unc? Unc's supposed to come pop out yesterday.
Bro, Unc be playing, bro. I'm telling you, talking about
Man,
first
I don't
lesson
know
is
why he do us like
patience.
this. Bro, we've been waiting for all summer.
All summer. We've been patient. What you mean?
Like, bro, we
You
ain't
think
got
that
no
was his
choice.
you think that was his for real lesson or he just didn't have his
No,
stuff together?
he just wasn't ready. Ain't no way that was the first lesson, boy.
But yeah, if this was my sweet spot, like if I felt confident like I could do it at 69.50, this would be a beautiful entry to take it to the 50%. Let me see how much I would have got off of that, John, right there. Let me see. 50% is there. Enter there. It's slight. That's probably why he says 75 because there's only 20 handles and I don't know if that's a big enough range, What's the
Right.
loss would have been? Loss would have been 24, best 20. It would have been a 1-to-1 best case scenario. That's probably why it's not worth the squeeze type,
Right. Not worth the risk you gonna put on.
Yeah, that makes sense. Girl, just be ready to trade. It's been so long.
That's because you got that. That's because you're trading that weak ass model.
I mean, but hey, I don't know. I haven't lost nothing either.
Yeah, what good is it if we ain't winning?
Girl, consistent, constant.
Consistent with it.
Brother said no 1-to-1
Yeah.
trades. I bet he said I need
No, at
at
least
least 2
2 to 1.
to 1.
At least 2 to 1. At least 2 to 1. At least 2 to 1. At least 2 to 1 minimum.
Minimum. it's looking like bodies are respecting the consequential encroachment of the 1 hour busy. I need to see it disrespect that, which it is doing. I'm loving this price action right now so far. It's giving low resistant. I would say
Yeah,
medium
no, price is
resistant.
decent. Price is decent. Price is decent right
Price
now.
is decent. And
I
we're
just wish it would have went into my Sibby. That would have been too pretty, but no.
this
Just
first
run
presented fair
on.
value gap action looking cute. You got to
Yeah, no,
remember
that's
too. I checked the calendar. We don't have any news. Like we just got out of news at 8:30. We only got yellow folders moving forward. That's why.
weak.
Yeah. So it is like medium high resistance liquidity run right now because it is going back and forth. It's not just like bleeding off. Especially with this pullback right now. I don't like
Yeah, I'm
how.
like, that
Huh.
was really my TP really was hit like well.
Yeah. I would
Now we
like to
want to
see it
put
reach
some 15-minute
50%.
lows.
Let me see. I gotta keep
It hit 50% on mine.
50% of the opening range gap.
Yeah.
It's really close for me. Really
Yeah,
close.
no. We on that. We on that. We all over there. On mine. On mine, we on that.
Let me see. Yeah, we're
101
barely.
viewers. That was nice.
You said what?
That's 101 viewers.
Oh, on the TikTok.
Yeah.
Nice. That's what's up. Hey y'all, what's good with you? Trader girl, live in action.
Pretty girl live.
Yeah, no, it looks like we are less than a pipette. I don't even know if that's a word for real, but it's
It's a
like a
word.
.5 handles. Oh, we just smashed it. Opening range
Yeah.
gap, 50% just smashed. Woo!
You.
I need that Kai Sinat. Pew, pew. What does he have?
That
Like,
soundboard.
yeah. Pew,
I'm
pew,
dead. Girl said she gonna get a soundboard.
pew, pew. You mean bleeding off? Oh, what did I say? Ooh. Go ahead, Mr. Wick. Yes, so we did just get opening range gap. So that's good. Like even though it wasn't 75%, it wasn't 75 handles in our sweet spot, it did prove successful to close the opening range gap at least 50% within the first 30 minutes. That is ideal, what we like to see. For entry, we need that sweet spot. And as we did the math for the ratio, it wasn't even feasible really. Like it wasn't worth the squeeze. We would have got max 20 handles, but we probably would have risked 20 plus handles. So it's like best case scenario 1-to-1. So it's not even worth it. But I'm glad to see that price action did give us a little something. Love it. And now that we have reached this little 50% of the opening range gap, I wonder if that's all price is going to give us. I want to see, will we continue to go lower, close the opening range gap in total, and ideally get out of this 1 hour busy into the lower 1 hour busy, which is discount. Trader Girl has been noticing with this new, what is it called in the presidency? Is it electoral? What is it called?
What you talking about?
They call it with this new class, no, with this new section. It's when they're talking about the government. I don't know.
I have no idea.
Ah,
I don't even know what you're trying to explain.
that's gonna bug me. Oh, that's gonna bug me. It's called something like with this new sector, this new class, something. Basically with these new people in office. Um it hasn't been giving a lot of retracement. It's been extremely bullish. Like since we got this new what the that's gonna
President?
it's we can't say that though. It's not the president, it's like the whole sector. Dang,
Okay.
that's gonna bug me.
Party?
Party, is it the new party? Dang. Anyways,
Because like, what are you talking about? Are you talking about like Democrat, Republican?
no, bro. Let me see. What is it called? Let me go to ChatGPT, bro. It's like, bro, it's gonna
Bro,
bug me, bro. I'm telling you. Not electoral college.
what?
Hold up. People refer to when they're talking about elected president
What she talking
and
about, chat?
new elected
Hey, y'all know what she
president.
talking about? Because I don't know what she's talking about at all.
It's called something. I think it's like
Catalina,
sector or something.
Catalina Lawrence. Do y'all know what she's talking about?
What is this called? Searching the web. ChatGPT don't even know. Administration! ChatGPT always show up for me. The new administration. That's what I've been thinking. Yes. So administration means president plus the people they've appointed, like their cabinet, advisors, whatnot, and said not. Yes, ChatGPT, bro. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. Oh man, that was bugging me.
That is funny.
Shout out to Chat, man. I swear if ChatGPT was a publicly traded company, I would so buy some stocks in Chat, bro. Like, I'm telling you, I love Chat. But yes, back to what I was saying. With this new
Yeah, no, that was the play.
with this
That was
new
beautiful right there.
administration, we've been seeing a lot of bullishness. We've been seeing extreme bullishness. So it's really hard to try to bank on deep retracement. Like they not trying to give nobody discounts, is what I've been noticing. So that's it. That's all I wanted.
Boy, I am dead. Took you longer to look it up than to get it out.
I know. This is cute though. I'm liking how this reaction off the first presented fair value gap took out this low. We're spending more time in the lower quadrant of this 1 hour BISI. For me to be confident that it's going to keep going lower, I need to see it close out of this 1 hour BISI, retest it to
Mhm.
continue lower.
No.
Brother said on me, I would start investing in AI, open AI. No facts. No facts. So good. So it looks like we have gotten through our 1 hour busy. Yay!
Girl, we gotta get you a soundboard.
Bro, do they got an app? I could probably download an app. I'm gonna check that out
You can
later.
definitely download the app. I'm pretty sure you probably went online, soundboard online.
No, big facts. So awesome. So we hit 2 places we would like to see thus far. Third place we want to see is it close outside of this 1 hour busy retest to continue lower. I don't know if we're gonna get it in the next 13 minutes. That might be a tough ask. Yeah. But it would be cool to see it close on a lower time frame, retest to continue lower. I'm liking the fact that it is respecting the bearish PD arrays. We haven't respected any bullish PD arrays. So Trader Girl is still confident. I would lose my confidence in that lower price action if we begin to trade higher, especially above this first presented fair value gap. There's absolutely no reason why it has to go back higher. So we shall see. Woofy Wick, you staying on the whole AM session or you logging off at
Y- no, yo, I'm gonna be on till about 9:30 or 10:30.
nice. I'm liking
Yeah, but I don't
this.
know. I might be done early though, because like I said, I wanted it to go from the 15 minute inversion Sibby down, but it just went down. So
Yeah. Nice
I'm just
nice
like,
little play off the first prison to fair value gap is a bit choppy though. This is definitely high resistance. I'm glad I definitely high resistance.
yeah. I mean, the real play was at what is it? At 9:30 exactly. Like 9:30 was the play. Even like 9:33. Yeah, the first percent is decent. It just hasn't moved much from
Not
there. Like
much.
how
It's
much is
still
that?
reacting. It's like still going back and forth within this 1 hour busy, which
Yeah.
is not giving me confidence. Like you respecting this
Yeah,
busy too much.
it's playing on that second one, yeah. So I don't know. I'm just chilling until 10 o'clock, see what's gonna pop off.
I like
Cause
this.
it's so many equal highs now. It's like, all right, were we just having a little retracement here?
Hey, maybe. Because if we're not because I fib this big parent swing, which is like super
Hmm.
beautiful to me. But if we dealing with this new administration, we could fib it right here. I don't know if you see my screen. And technically, we are in discount at this point. Technically. But that's an ugly, choppy little swing. I'm not really digging that swing. I don't see it as a true parent swing. But this would tell me if it does continue to go up, this would tell me why.
Right. Yeah, I want to at least see us take out Tokyo's lows. Like, let's get it. Let's take out Tokyo low. That would be the
Tokyo Low, you talking about Monday at like 13 o'clock on a 1 hour?
18:30. I mean
18.
8:30, 8:30 p.m. I don't know what time military that is.
Do you have your military time showing up or you got regular time?
Yeah,
Oh
regular
damn, you got
time.
regular time. I got
Yeah,
military
well, I don't
time.
even. You a doctor?
You know, Americans are the only one that use like two. I saw this one troll on social media. They were like, they were making fun of us, like, hey, which 8 o'clock is it? The first one or the second one? I was
The
like,
second one. We
Americans,
can't come to America. Oh, the second one's stupid. The nighttime one.
the nighttime one. Bro, we make things so complicated. It do not gotta be that difficult.
It's the nighttime one, man. What you mean? The
And then
dark
my
one.
ass over here calling it 13 o'clock. What do they say? Like, would they just say
The
13?
1300.
1300? Ooh! There it is. There it
Boom.
is, right there. Loving it.
Bled off
Loving it. We gotta
all the way.
close on the lower time frame, 1 minute. It'll be super cute if we can
Easy.
retest it. Keep going down. I'm loving it.
That's cash, man. That was cash. Great day, great day,
So
great
there we
day.
go.
Beautiful.
That's three right there.
How
That
you
three
doing,
right
Mo?
there.
That was too easy. That was a beautiful call
I wouldn't
from
say
the
too easy. That shit was kind of
kick ball.
choppy.
No, it was smooth. Straight from the opening bell, it's been smooth sailing. Like I just didn't get my pop up that I wanted, so it was kind of hard for me to get in line. I didn't really trust
First
the
presented
first
fair value
presented fair
now?
value. Yeah,
Nah, you
yeah.
tripping. Bro,
But
I knew the
I
first
don't.
presented
You
fair
know, my
value.
room don't even come till 10 o'clock, so I was really expecting it to pop up one more time, and
Hell
then
nah.
we get the push down.
I saw at
Hell yeah.
9:35 that hoe when it barely got in that, I was like, "Oh yeah, that's looking sweet right there. That's looking sweet right there."
Yeah, no, it did get in there and pull out nasty twice. Bam, bam.
Bam
One, two,
bam.
three. Yeah, it gave a lot of entries. I ain't gonna lie. But where are we going?
Bro,
Like
I
where
done
oh
told
no,
you where we
Tokyo's
going.
lows.
Bro, I
To
done
Tokyo's
told you.
lows.
Let me see.
We
First of
gotta be
all,
going.
we just closed the opening range gap. Woo 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 woo. Love it.
Finally.
I
That was
don't
crazy.
know who Tokyo's lows are, but I can see the next.
The low at 5:36, 6 o'clock. You don't see this equal lows from
Is
6,
that at
7 or
14:45?
6:15. What? Stupid Americans.
What is really the Americans? 14 o'clock?
That's what I'm saying. Bro, I don't know what time that is.
No, but on the for real though, I could see if you fib, let's talk in ICT terms. If you fib it on the 1 hour parent swing from Monday, September 15th low to the current high, you can see the 50% is right above that 1 hour BISI. I could see the 50% getting smashed and preferably pulling into the discount in the 1 hour BISI at 9 o'clock on September 15th. You see that, hoe?
No, I don't know what you just said.
Bro, 1 hour busy at 9 o'clock, Monday, September 15th. You don't see that?
Oh yeah,
That's
yeah,
where I want to see it pull into.
yeah, yeah, yeah. That whole far, boy.
I
I just
know it
that
is
was
kind of far, especially with this
them niggas.
administration. I don't know if we can
These
ask for
niggas got
too
me
much.
janky. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, boy. This janky ass bleed off.
It did just take some lows at 19 o'clock Monday.
I really hate when shit just be running, bro. Like, bitch, you need to come to a Come to a fair value, nigga. You ain't hit these hits. Don't believe in shit.
I'm really liking it though. I really like this price action. Is respecting
Just happy it
all
feels
the.
open the range again.
I am happy it closed the opening range gap. I
Just
love
happy
to
you
see it.
motherfucker close that. Yeah, man. Quit playing.
I love to see it. That's my move right there. That's my model right there. Give me the opening range gap, close it. Girl is happy. Girl is
That model's so
happy.
fucking mid, bro. I'm
Bro,
not
you
gonna
hating on
lie.
the model. You just mad cause you can't trade every day with it. That's why.
Not fuck every day. I want to at least trade once a month.
It busts at least once a month.
Well, I want to trade at least twice a month. Goddamn.
Twice a month might be pushing it. You might get 2 to 3 max.
Ooh-wee. Yeah, that's crazy.
Now that's cute though. I really appreciate Michael for dropping that model because I'm loving it.
I don't appreciate his ass for not dropping nothing yesterday. Talking about the patience, nigga.
So you
Why if you
failed
don't bring
lesson
no ass
one.
on?
You failed lesson one
Uh,
apparently.
oh, I definitely failed lesson one. I was blue. When I seen that, I was blue, nigga. I was like, what the fuck is he talking about?
see, you got to go back to
Play too
lesson
much.
one. You're not ready for lesson two.
He play too much. That's really what he
See,
do.
brother, feel me. That's all you need with the right lot size. I'm telling you. Only trade 2-3
What?
times a month.
All right.
With the right lot size. What you mean?
All right. Tell me anybody that really do that and is profitable.
Michael.
No, he don't. Michael don't never do that. Stop it.
You know Michael be trading
Stop,
demo majority of the time.
nigga, stop it. That's what he be showing. Michael do not be trading demo. He'll show that demo, but you don't think that nigga got another account he's banging that button on right there?
I don't know. It's all speculation. Unless he come out and say it.
Well,
I don't know. Honestly.
shit. When that nigga be talking about just made some lunch money and pizza money and he don't be showing them things, yeah, that ain't demo.
I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. We got a new season coming up with Michael. We'll see what he on. This
It
is
ain't
looking
nothing.
really good though. Like it just respected the 1 minute Sibby. About to take out this low, pushing towards our TP. I'm really liking it right now. This look good. I'm glad we got to see it live, not just on Trader Girl YouTube, but also Woofy Wick TikTok. You can find us in 2 places. We call in the charge, GPS on the markets. I'm telling y'all. Stay tuned.
So the niggas, well, I mean, these people at an hour ago, that bitch was going down.
We calling it GPS on the markets. Yep, so I'm about to do my little outro, y'all. What's up, Woofy Wick followers? What's up, Trader Girl followers? So just to give you a little recap, starting out the daily chart, when we hopped on, we saw that we were extremely bullish. We've been going up nonstop since September 2nd. And so we haven't necessarily, we don't pick the tops as per Michael. So we were just trading it, trying to see if we can get some retracement for the AM session. With that being said, we dropped down to the 1 hour. We were able to identify this parent swing from this low to this high. We were able to identify the 50% along with this big old Bissy. Y'all know Trader Girl loves to eat the beef, so that's a big beefy candle. I want to see it get taken. We identified the first obstacle to get past was this 1 hour Bissy closer to price, associated also with the 1 hour volume imbalance. Price gave no sense of hesitation, and we were able to take that 1 hour Bissy. And it looks like we were able to close, retest, and continue lower. Next obstacle would be these lows here at 15 o'clock. Monday's lows. I don't know what y'all want to call it, but that's like the next place. We did just take these lows here. I think that's what Woofy Wick was calling the Tokyo low. So I would have to see if that's all the retracement it was going to give us before we continue going higher, because overall we are on a bullish train. We are just calling an intraday retracement. Trader Girl preferably would love to see it get into a discount. However, with this administration, don't be surprised they not giving discounts. So be leery. I'm gonna leave y'all with some obstacles we want to see price get past. We want to see price get past this one, and then also this low, which is really close to our equilibrium. So if it can get past these, then I see it no problem getting into that big beefy candle. So that's what I'm gonna leave y'all with. Woofy Wick is still on his TikTok till 10:30. Trader Girl gotta go. But thank you all for tuning in. I had so much fun. I'm glad you all were able to see it. We called 3 TPs. First TP was closing the opening range gap 50%, then closing the opening range gap 100%, using the first presented fair value gap, and hitting Tokyo lows. So, hope you all have fun. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more. Wolfie Wick, you got anything for Trader Girl's outro?
No, that's pretty much it. We did it. We do it every day. Come and see it.
Okay,
We
he does
live.
it
We
every
lit.
day. I do it once a week, Trader Girl Tuesday. So check me out
Well,
every
yeah.
Tuesday.
Hey man, hey, I'm gonna have her live. She gonna be on. We're gonna be doing the Zoom. We're normally just in the Telegram, guys. So
Yeah,
I'm gonna just be live on TikTok, so y'all can still hear Trader Girl.
for
So
sure.
y'all still be able to get her more often for sure. Because I'll just go live. It doesn't bother me. But
For
hell
sure.
yeah, we good. We're booming.
Booming. So yeah, tune in Trader Girl Tuesday every Tuesday live on YouTube. I do drop every day AM session recaps. And I do it like timestamp too, so you can see basically what we did today on live. I have it in basically a real format. You can follow me on Trader Girl or Trader_Girl 1112. I'm on all platforms, X, also known as TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Is that all of them? Did I?
Everybody go bang. Everybody go give Trader Girl a follow because she gives more content than me. Because I'm not really a content person. I'm more of a I'll just go live. I'm not with that with the making content.
Most definitely. If you're looking for daily recaps of the AM session, first 30 minutes, tune in. I post them every day. Come back next Tuesday, live on YouTube, Trader Girl Tuesday. If you missed it live, no worries. All of my lives are recorded on my YouTube underneath the live tab. So thank you all for coming. I had so much fun. I hope you guys, had fun too. If you learned something, great. Stay safe and happy trading.